we are going to have a special guest on my stream for the first time ever. And today, we are joined by my good friend Kyle, who's a managing director at some of the largest banks in the world. He's based out of London, and he's gonna, he when I proposed this idea, he said, no, Dennis, I don't want to do pre-recorded. I want to go live. I want to get the questions from the chat. I want to talk to people and see what they have to say. So kudos to Kyle for being able to, be live with us and to join us. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to go ahead and have you guys start lining up your questions in the chat. I know that you guys are great about asking questions, and maybe as Kyle and I talk back and forth a little bit to start off, maybe that'll give you some ideas for questions you want to ask. But without question, you are here with an experienced professional. He has many years in the industry, many years, as an analyst and as an auditor, and then also many more years in the management levels, in director and managing director. So feel free to ask questions along all of those levels, all of those pertaining industries and whatnot. And like I said, Kyle and I will do a little bit of an introduction, and maybe that'll generate some ideas for all of you to, kind of jump in. Okay.